All right, there we go. How's that? Can you guys hear me all right? Mic check. Test, test. I switched desktops for this evening. How's everybody doing? Let me get my headset situated here. Can you guys hear me okay? Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think we're all right. Very good, thank you. All right. Excellent, thank you, thank you. Cheese, as in the Cheese app for the webcam. Something different for tonight. I had to take the other desktop and do an update on it, about 400 megabytes. It's been a couple weeks. So anyway, how's everybody doing tonight? Let's see who's in the house here. Merry Melodies, Spin Viking. Let's start at the top. Joe Panica, what's up? Don McCullough. Kagan, good evening. Howdy. Spin Viking, Barking Bandicoot. Top of the day to you all. Well, it's the bottom of the night here at 9 p.m. local time. Today was a nice day. It was in the 40s, bright sunshine, loved it. Took my kid's car to the car wash, gave it a nice wash after a month of snow and dirt and stuff like that. It was nasty. It was time. It was time. I have to wash mine tomorrow. So how you all guys doing for tonight, man? I'll adjust my light here a little bit. There we go. I don't need to be in the spotlight, do I? Nah. Nah. So tonight we'll take a look at MX Linux 17.1. I can tell you that I kind of like what I saw, to be quite honest. Yeah, it's nice. What I did, I ran it off a USB stick. I recorded about 12 minutes. I'll do a voiceover. It appears to be very, very, very user-friendly. Yep, I am on Linux Mint Mate for tonight. That is correct. I hadn't turned this on in 2 weeks. It was time for updates. Make sure it works. Make sure it powers on. It's working, so here we are. All right, everything looks good here. So why don't we get to the video, okay? This one's got a bug. Sometimes the windows don't pop up. Let me see here. Leave that there. Leave that there. There we go. All right. Okay. So this is MX17 here. I like it. I like it a lot. It's yes, I'm still here. Hello. This ran very smooth inside a well, running it off a USB stick. Very, very smooth. Of course, this has a welcome screen, which is pretty standard. At least for MX, for Linux Mint, Ubuntu Mate, maybe a few others. I can't remember. But I like this a lot. The MX tools I find to be very, very intuitive and helpful. Great for newbies. You know, this expands on the concept of a welcome screen in more detail. It may be a little bit too much for beginners, but I don't think it's that difficult. I believe the default password for this is demo. CFWW. I'll try to keep track of your comments here. Hello, welcome. Alright, popular applications, or go to the full app catalog. You can do stable repo, MX test repo, Debian backports. If you are new to all this, just choose, when in doubt, choose stable. And this will allow you to manage and download applications based on categories. There's nothing fancy here from what I saw for the package installer, but it's pretty straightforward, and this runs extremely fast. Welcome screens. Absolutely. Audio. I think Audacious is a great music player. Lightweight. Yeah, CFWW, if you are new to the stream, welcome. We have a custom here. We say hi to everybody new to the chat. So if you are new, hello. Everybody say hello to CFWW. I gotta take a long distance phone call. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I was taking a long distance call from Florida. I will give him a call back here in about 20 minutes. So, okay, so the MX Tweak tool for the panel, theme, compositor, and other options. Very nice. Yeah, CFWW. I don't recall you being on before, but welcome. All right, so getting back here to MX17. I really like this. The compositor. mxlinux.org. You can check out more from the community there. You can contribute if you want to. And back to the package manager with a different theme. If you are running Windows and wanted to try this and don't have a spare machine, I would recommend you go with a USB bootable stick. If you don't want to mess with a virtual box or buy an extra or buy a refurbished machine to test Linux distros, USB bootable stick, perfectly safe. So the title caught your eye. Okay. I like the ability to add applets to the panel as you can in Mate. Very user-friendly. I did install Kazam screen recorder to record this because it's lightweight. And I recorded this, of course, without sound. Volume control, pretty much self-explanatory. But as you can see here, there's nothing here to surprise you or throw you off. Of course, I left the panel on the left, but you can move the panel left, right, up, and down. You can have two panels or more if you want to. The list of packages, I think, is plenty. Maybe a little bit too much for beginners, but you can always either delete them or not use them. From what I saw, being that it's lightweight, I thought it was pretty loaded for a lightweight distro, based on what I saw. I think the Conky thing here, I'm not a Conky fan myself, but I think it's awesome to have a user-friendly Conky manager, and that's coming up here in about a minute or so. This is about halfway over. Clementine, a great music player. That Thank you, Don. Yeah, this is something that I enjoy doing. You know, just record the video as if I was using it and then do a voiceover. Yeah, I guess light to mid-weight lamer, yeah. Although to me it feels more lightweight. But they say mid-weight, then we'll go with what they say. You enjoy plasma? Awesome. Okay, nice. Well, MX-17 definitely deserves consideration. Yeah, if it wasn't for Ubuntu Mate or Linux Mint, I would probably use this. The Conky moves to the right. Yes, it is very quick, Joe. Yes. Memory usage about, I think it was 400 megabytes. Like 1/3 of what GNOME uses. Hi, Joe. We are testing Joe's favorite distro. DT, hello Distro2, welcome. So you chose Antiox, which I think is based off of this, right? Rose from Canada. Hello Rose, how are you? So this is the Conky Manager, and I really like this. It makes Conky a lot easier to manage and or create Conkies, so to speak. I think I tested every single one of these. Icon 2020, I will not say your name 3 times, but welcome. And I'm going through the list of Conkies here, so this is nice. It adds a little extra cool touch to the desktop. Like I said, I'm not a Conky person myself, but you know, it's there if you want to put it on there. I like a clean desktop, but you know, a small Conky is okay. You know. See, this is what Ubuntu Budgie needs. You know, they have, it looks like a one Conky clock on the bottom right of the desktop, and it's not user friendly on how to move it or delete it. But this Conky Manager is very nice. I like it a lot. And as you can see, even running this off a USB stick, it's fine. Perfectly fine. Yeah, exactly, Don. Just a few more Conkies left here. Netwalker-1. Hello. The battlegrounds of the future are dominated for huge robotic war machines known as battle mechs. You will be terminated. Blah. Yeah, it does. It makes MX-17 life easier. Yeah, Linux Mint Mate is pretty fast also, yes. I like this Conky. It spells it out for you for the time in words. It's different. Rose, you like MX also? Okay, very nice. But yeah, I think all these Conkies are, you know, fine. I guess you could have more than one Conky on the screen, but that would be over Conkied. That didn't sound right, did it? And we're getting to the end here, so yeah. Conky personified MX Linux 17.1 Horizon. I approve. Toss today approved. MX17.1. Yes. Absolutely. So check it out. It's awesome. All right. Music once again from the YouTube audio library. Playing artist the 126ers. So that's my quick thought on MX17.1. I think I'll put it on my top 10 list for beginners. Maybe even top 5. But it was nice. It was very, very nice. Spectra Meltdown patched. Yeah, I would imagine probably most of the high-end distros have that all patched, right, Joe? I would imagine. If not, they should have it patched by now. Conky's nice. You like having it show the track, artist, track length of your dead beef. Dead beef music player. I'm sorry, I prefer dancing cow music player. I don't like to play anything that's not alive. I'm very sorry. These freaking names. For the record, I cannot see Rocco liking or staying on Elementary very long. I would have to agree. Yeah. Yeah, John. No, I tested 16 version before. I think, John. I think I stated I kind of liked it. I think I did. I have to go back and look. I tested that in a virtual box, and I thought it was okay. Didn't I say that? I thought I did. But yeah, I have no problem with it. You know, I mean, I'm pretty much happy with Malibu to Mate for now. But if I ever decide to distro hop, I have no problem with MX17.1. Yeah, I would imagine all the mainline distros should have the patch by now. You know, Ubuntu, you know, Linux Mint, Peppermint. You would think. MX is great for who isn't new to Linux but not advanced. It's not for advanced users. A new user, I think, would be okay. You know, maybe not a complete newbie. You know, but hey, we all start somewhere, right? Finished playing with Arco Linux. Great. The Linux distribution based on oil. Isn't there Arco company? Yeah. It's a very slick OS. Haha. MX keeps improving. Okay. I think that's awesome. Yeah. Looking at the ticker news feed real quick, see if anything catches my eye. I need to call my friend back in Florida here in about 10 minutes. You need to catch up. He lives in Orlando, where I used to live. Yeah, I think MX17, as long as a newbie looks at the welcome screen and reads the documentation, I think a newbie would be okay in MX17. Joe, what do you think? You run MX17. Is it for newbies or almost for newbies? I know that you have it every day, or use it every day. Before I forget, next week, or this week coming up, either Friday or Sunday, I've put together a couple short teaser trailers of my dad's film. I know some of you have been asking, and I think it's time to premiere it, a world premiere on YouTube, either Friday night or Sunday afternoon. I will show it to you. I hope you like it. It's just a teaser trailer, about a minute and a half, and then we'll talk about it then. It's for new users. Okay, cool. Now I might do a again either Friday or Sunday. Maybe do. I've been talking about a fundraiser for the channel, like a toast-a-thon, as it were. And you know, I'll stay on as long as I can, hours and hours if possible. And as a thank you, I will share with you that teaser trailer. Maybe more than one trailer for it. I don't know. We'll see. I used Caden Live to put the trailer together, and hopefully you guys will like it. It was a 5-year project that my dad filmed in Italy based on a true story. It was a labor of love, almost death, but it's finished and he's trying to sell it. So I'm happy to share it with you. Yeah, I don't want to spoil too much right now. We can talk about it this weekend. I guess I can say that the music composer for the film, he just won his 3rd Foreign Academy Award for music. It's like the Polish version of the Oscars for music. He posts stuff on Facebook. I keep in touch with him, but I believe it's his 3rd award in 3 years for music film, for film music. I think he's super gifted, super talented, and I told him one day he'll be famous here in the States. He just needs the right movie to put him on the map. And maybe it's my dad's film, I don't know, but we'll talk about that this weekend. So I'm looking forward to share with you and get your honest thoughts. Sounds great. Okay, thank you, Rose. Yeah, those of you who have contributed in the past to Patreon, which I don't have anymore, and PayPal, thank you. It is great. It feels good to be appreciated. I'll tell you that much. Even though I've been doing this month marks 8 years of this channel. Wow. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Thank you. My birthday is Saturday, so happy birthday to me next week. You know, Joe, maybe this weekend I'll have you on the show as a co-host. How does that sound? Yeah, I'll have a fellow paisano for my birthday as my birthday friend, if you want to do it. You missed my show on Ubuntu 18.04, but it looks to me like they're going for people who distro hopped. Well, you have lots of choices. Amen. Yeah. Thank you. All right, Joe Panico, I will let you know. But I just wanted to get that out before I forget. I'm gonna jump off here in 5 minutes, but I want to get that out before I forget. Thank you for 8 years. Thank you for your past, present, future contributions. I didn't think I was last this long. This started as a hobby, really, truly started as a hobby. I didn't like what I saw in Linux videos 10 years ago on YouTube. I wanted to learn as a hobby. Figure I would do for a while, then maybe stop doing it. But because of you guys, I am here, and I'm having a blast. So thank you. Thank you, Joe. Yeah, my mom's birthday was yesterday, St. Patty's Day. So we'll have to do some together. I try to take her out to dinner Friday night, but she wasn't feeling too good. So cold weather. I think she's sick of the cold weather. She's ready for summer. So am I. Yeah. So thank you. The menu, the advanced menu is nice. The whisker menu, I don't think it's whiskey menu. Or maybe it is the whiskey. Hey, is that a good menu? Yeah, it's great. I've lasted this long because of clean living. I would have to agree. Derek, yeah. I would have to agree, Derek, from DistroTube. Yeah. I don't smoke. I don't drink a lot because I usually drive, so I do very little drinking. I try to stay in shape. You know, walking, swimming in the summer, tennis, jogging. I choose my friends wisely. I stick with positive people. people that I can talk to or chat with here. But yeah, clean living goes a long, long way. Just like a clean desktop. How's that for an analogy? Whisker, yes. Thank you, CFWW. Welcome. If this was your first stream or if it wasn't, welcome. I think everybody said hello to you, right? If not, hello, welcome. And maybe I'll catch you next time. But thank you for stopping by. Yeah. Yesterday was your cat's birthday. Roger is 2 now. Okay, Joe. Happy birthday, Roger. Meow. Yes, we prefer wines. That is true, Rose. Yes. Yeah, sometimes whiskey. Maybe the whiskey mixed in with a little bit of Coca-Cola. You know. If you aren't healthy, it's hard to stick with anything. Right? You know. Yeah, so, you know, choose your foods wisely. Choose your drinks wisely. Get enough sleep. If you're sick, like 2 weeks ago, I had the sinuses. I was talking like Joe Pesci like this. Are you freaking kidding me? That slipped out. Are you freaking kidding me? Anyway, Sudafed helped. I know the whiskey menu sounded good. Did it though? Whiskey menu? Yeah. What you do is you click on the whiskey menu and then you go to the lunch apps on the Mint Mate and check out the spices home folder. Yeah. The new Amarok. Have not tested it. Anisette. I'll buy fresh strawberries, wash them, Joe. A little bit of anisette on the strawberries and some sugar. Try it. A little bit, not the whole bottle. A little bit sprinkle anisette on strawberries and sugar. Try that. Try that. You'd be surprised. All right. Music is done. I think we are ready to wrap this up. I'll give it another minute. So last call for comments. And I am done. So thank you once again. Keep in touch. And check out MX Linux 17.1. Shot glass full. Aha. Hello, Ben. Yeah, I'm just getting off. I did get your email, Ben. If I have time, I'll look into it, okay? Oh my goodness, you're going to try Gen 2? Jeez. You are a courageous young man, my friend. Yeah, or at some Clementine. Badum. Amarok. I think it's A-M-A. Amarok. Right? For the music player, Joe? That's in KDE. Amarok. I think so. Yeah. All right, I need to call my friend back in Florida. So thank you all, Joe Panico, Joe Johnson, that new person, CFWW, Rose, all of you. Always a pleasure. I need to get off and call back my friend in Florida. Have a great evening. And I will catch you on the next one. So arrivederci.